Hello student, today we are going to do the exercise of class 7 second chapter motions of the earth. Okay, ये सेमेस्टर 1 का हम यहाँ पे देख रहे हैं. इससे पहले हमने क्लास 6 की पूरी एक्सरसाइज कर ली है. आप प्लेलिस्ट में जाके देख सकते हो. ओके, द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज नेम द टू मेन मोशंस ऑफ द अर्थ. देर आर टू मेन मोशंस ऑफ द अर्थ आर रोटेशन and revolutions. Second question is what will happen if the earth does not revolve around the sun? If the earth does not rotate on its axis, the days and the night would not happen. There would be a permanent day over the regions facing the sun, and the region not facing the sun would have a permanent night. If the earth does not revolve around the sun, there would be no change in the season. Question number 3 is there is a test match between India and West Indies. In the West Indies, when will you watch the match, during the day or at night? The answer is okay. I shall watch this match at night. Question number 4 is what is the length and direction of your shadow in the morning, afternoon and evening? Okay, answer is here. You can copy down. ठीक है, ये जो बॉक्स है यहाँ से आप कॉपी कर लेना. Then next page, question number 5 is the sun is never overhead in London and there is a sunlight till 8 o'clock in the evening, whereas the sun is overhead in Singapore. Why? The answer is due to its axis inclines at 23.5 degrees Celsius and revolutionary motion of the earth. The sun rays fall vertically between the tropics, that is tropics Cancer and Capricorn only. So the sun is seen overhead in Singapore due to its equilateral location, while the sun never comes overhead in London, which is located on 52 degrees Celsius north latitude. When the sun rays fall straight over the Tropic of Cancer, the day is longer in its nearby regions, so the sunlight is seen up to even 8 p.m. in London. यहाँ पे ये एडिशनल क्वेश्चन आंसर्स है, टिक मार्क है. ठीक है, दैट इज चूज द करेक्ट अल्टरनेटिव. सो यहाँ से आप डायरेक्टली कॉपी कर लो आंसर्स. सी आई डोंट हैव द वर्कबुक, सो आई एम रीडिंग द क्वेश्चन आंसर्स फ्रॉम दिस डाइजेस्ट. ओके, नेक्स्ट पेज. यहाँ पे लास्ट में आंसर्स भी दिए हैं. अगर आप बाय मिस्टेक अगर कोई रॉन्ग हो गया तो आप यहाँ से एक बार चेक कर लेना. सेकेंड क्वेश्चन इज फिलिंग द ब्लैंक्स. ओके, टोटल सैंड फिलिंग द ब्लैंक्स आर देयर. नेक्स्ट पेज, सॉरी यहाँ पे भी है नेक्स्ट पेज पे. यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन नंबर जो 9 है वो ऑर्बिट लिखा है. यहाँ पे सारे आंसर्स दिए हैं नीचे, सो यू कैन चेक इट आउट एंड कॉपी डाउन द आंसर्स करेक्टली. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 इज ट्रू और फॉल्स. ओके, स्टेट वेदर द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट्स आर ट्रू और फॉल्स. नेक्स्ट पेज. ओके, total 10 true false are there. Answer is also given at the last, so you can see and copy down properly. Then question number 4 is match the pair. Okay, so answer is given at the last here. First one का 4th है, second one का 6th and third one is 5th, fourth one is 2 and fifth one is 3rd. Okay, then question number 5 is answer the following questions in 1 or 2 sentences. The first question is what is rotation? The earth rotates like a spinning top on its imaginary axis at a speed of 1670 kilometers per hour over the equator. This motion of the earth is called rotation. The earth takes 24 hours to complete one full circle, that is one day. Okay, question number 2 is what is revolution? While rotating on its axis, the earth also moves around the sun. This motion of the earth is called revolution. The earth takes 365 days, that is 1 year, to complete one revolution around the sun. This period is called year. Okay, question number 3 is How much time does the earth take to complete one revolution? The earth takes 365 days, that is 1 year, to complete one revolution. Next page, fourth question. What is the orbit of the earth? The earth moves in a specific imaginary path in the universe to revolve around the sun. This part is called orbit of the earth. Question number 5 is, why does the distance between the earth and the sun not remain the same always? Or the give a geographical reason distance between the earth and the sun does not remain uniform. Okay, ये दो क्वेश्चन है, उसका सेम ही आंसर है. Answer is, orbit of the earth is not circular but it is elliptical or oval, so the distance between the earth and the sun does not remain uniform. Sixth question is, at what rate per minute does the earth revolve around the sun? The earth revolves around the sun at the rate of 1780 kilometers per hour. Seventh question is, what angle does the earth make with its axis and with the orbit? The earth makes an angle of 23.5 degree Celsius with its axis and 66.5 degree Celsius with its orbit. 8.1 is, why are the days and the nights longer and shorter? The earth revolves around the sun keeping her axis inclined in the same angle, so the days and the nights are longer and shorter. Question number 9 is, when do the sun rays fall vertical and Tropic of Cancer? The sun rays fall vertical on the Tropic of Cancer on 21st June. Question number 10 is, when do the sun rays fall vertical on the Tropic of Capricorn? The sun rays fall vertical on the Tropic of Capricorn on 22nd December. Next page. Question number 11. On which day do the sun rays fall vertical on the equator? Sun rays fall vertical on the equator only on 2 days every year, that is on 21st March and 21st September. Question number 12 is, why do the North Pole and the South Pole come opposite the sun alternately? The earth revolves around the sun, keeps its axis in the same direction. That is why the North Pole and the South Pole come opposite the sun alternately. 13.1 is, which region prevail over the northern and southern hemisphere between 21st March and 21st September? Between 21st March to 21st September, it is summer in the northern hemisphere and winter in the southern hemisphere. Question number 6 is, answer the following questions in brief. Why is there summer in the northern hemisphere between the 21st March or to the 21st September? Between 21st March to 21st September, northern hemisphere is tidal towards the sun, so during this period, sun rays fall straight over the northern hemisphere and it gets more sunshine and more heat. The days are also longer, so there is a summer in the northern hemisphere between the 21st March to 21st September. Question number 2 is, why is Norway called a country of midnight sun? Or give geographical reason Norway is called a country of midnight sun. Norway is in the northern hemisphere between the 21st March to 21st September. The northern hemisphere remains tidal towards the sun. During this period, the sun does not set near the Arctic Circle in the northern hemisphere. Between the middle of May till the end of July, the sun continues shining even at 12 midnight. So, Norway is called a country of midnight sun. The next question is, think, understand and give the reason for the following statement. On 21st June, the sun is almost overhead in the Ahmedabad at noon, but it is not overhead in Delhi. The answer is, the sun revolves around the earth revolves around the sun, making an angle of 66.5 degrees Celsius with the orbit, so the sun shines vertically only between the Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. Ahmedabad is located almost on the Tropic of Cancer, so the sun rays are almost straight over Ahmedabad on 21st June. So the sun is overhead in Ahmedabad at noon, while Delhi is in far north of Tropic of Cancer. So the sun never shines overhead in Delhi. Question number 8 is answer the following question. Why are the days and the nights longer and shorter, or why does the length of the days and nights change, or give a geographical reason days and nights are longer and shorter. So यहाँ पे 3 क्वेश्चन बनते हैं तो इसका एक ही आंसर है, ठीक है. The earth revolves around the sun keeping its axis inclined at 66.5 degrees Celsius. So the northern and the southern hemisphere come opposite the sun. Alternately, the hemisphere which is tilted towards the sun gets sunlight for the longer time. So the days are longer there and the nights are shorter. In the figure given below, the northern hemisphere is tilted towards the sun straight. Okay, यहाँ पे ये फिगर दिया है, आप यहाँ से देख के कॉपी कर लेना, ठीक है. नेक्स्ट पेज, इसके नीचे भी आंसर है, ठीक है. सन रेज फॉल वर्टिकली ऑन द ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कैंसर. सो द डेज आर लॉन्गर there and the nights are shorter. Contrary to this, the days are shorter and the nights are longer over the Tropic of Capricorn. Thus, the days and nights are longer and shorter because the earth revolves around the sun, keeping its axis inclined in the same direction. Second one is, how are the days and the nights formed on the earth? The earth is round, so the sun falls on only half of it at a time. The other half remain on the other side from the sun. It is a daytime where the sun rays fall and the other side is night. Okay, you can see the figure given below. The earth rotates on its axis, so it is different part come opposite the sun alternately. The area which is in the sunlight gradually goes in the opposite direction of the sun, and the area which was in the dark gradually come in light. This is how the days and nights happen. Okay, you can see the figure, it is given here. Okay, rotation of the earth and the day night. Third question is, ये एक बार देख लेना यहाँ पे. Explain the cycle of season, or explain with the help of diagram how the season change on the earth. The earth revolves around the sun, keeping its axis inclined in the same direction. So both hemispheres come opposite the sun alternately. The sun rays fall straight over the hemisphere which is tilted towards the sun. These straight rays give more heat. The day is also longer, so it is summer there. The hemisphere which is tilted on the other side will receive slant rays. These slant rays give less heat. Night is longer and the day is shorter, so it is winter there. So when it is summer in the northern hemisphere, it will be the winter in the southern hemisphere, and vice versa. Thus the cycle of season continues. तो फिर यहाँ पे cycle दी है. Then यहाँ पे जो questions है, table questions है. You have to note it down, details given in the table. Okay. आपको क्लास में गैदर्ड इंफॉर्मेशन करके यहाँ पे रिकॉर्ड करना है. तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 इज, इफ अ डे टाइम इन इंडिया, राइट वेदर इट इज वुड बी डे और ए नाइट इन द फॉलोइंग कंट्रीज गिवन इन द टेबल बिलो. ठीक है, तो ये आप यहाँ से डायरेक्टली कॉपी कर लो. देखो कंट्री का नाम दिया है. देन कैनेडा दैट इज नाइट, जापान दैट इज डे. ओके, दैट इज मैक्सिको, ऑस्ट्रेलिया, मैक्सिको में नाइट है, ऑस्ट्रेलिया में डे है. ओके, ब्राज़ील it is a night, and South Africa it is a day. Okay, question number 3 is, that is equal day night, that is fill in the blanks given below with the help of calendar shown in the time of sunrise and sunset. So you can note down. Okay, the next page is question number 4. Season in the northern and southern hemisphere are opposite. See the diagram given below the answers. यहाँ पे डायग्राम दिया है. ठीक है, देन उसके हिसाब से आपको यहाँ पे आंसर्स देखने हैं. First one, how long would a day be on the Tropic of Cancer on 21st June? About कितने hours? That is 14 hours. Which season do the place on the Tropic of Cancer experience? That is summer. What would be the duration of days and night? The days would be longer and night shorter. Fourth one is, what will occur on the Tropic of Capricorn on 22nd December, or which season must be prevailing with the Tropic of Capricorn on 22nd December, that is summer. Fifth one is, how long would a day be on the Tropic of Capricorn on 22nd December? Answer is about 14 hours. फिर यहाँ पे ये लिस्ट दी है क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 का. Okay, list of some festivals and season of their celebrations is given below. When we celebrate a particular festival here in the season experience that same time in a different country. Okay, find out the table. यहाँ पे दिया है, countries के name दिए हैं, festivals दिए हैं, so you can copy down from here. The next one is think questions and answers. आपको यहाँ पे सोच के बताना है. I think ये last questions है. How does the earth revolve around the sun? What is its consequence? Okay, how does the earth revolves around the sun and what is its consequence? The answer is the earth revolves around the sun on its axis, titles in the same direction. This causes season. Okay, तो यहाँ पे ये खत्म होता है ये सेकंड चैप्टर फर्स्ट सेमेस्टर का क्लास 7. प्लीज़ अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आए प्लीज़ लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए, कमेंट कीजिए और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग.